Hey guys, this is a Canon Pixma MG5520 printer, and I'm trying to print something, and it's giving me this error 1003. So usually that means that there is either no paper in the paper tray. In our case, you can see that we have loaded paper in the tray, and most likely it means that the roller needs some cleaning, or we just need to troubleshoot the printer and find out what's going on. What we are first going to do is we're just going to remove the paper that we have here. Then we're going to flip the printer on its side. Best to turn printer off and unplug it in the back. Then we're just going to pull the tray out. And here we have the rollers that pick up the paper. I will clean those with some alcohol swabs. But before I do that, let's make sure there's nothing in the way here. There's also, my paper didn't seem to go anywhere past the tray. So, for example, sometimes it would pull here and then it would stop in the back. For that, you'll just need to check the back of the printer by opening this side. And cleaning, while you're cleaning those, also clean the rollers over here. So let's first get on these here. So I'm going to be using an alcohol swab. You can also use paper towel and put some alcohol on it, or a cleaning solution just like Windex or anything like this. This works good for me. I've heard that a lot of companies don't want you to use alcohol on rubber. I did not have any problem with it. I've used the printer for many years and I wiped it down with this here. Didn't have any damage from alcohol. It just basically restores it in a way. So this is how I'm doing this. I would spin one roller while holding this pad over the other. So just like that. Don't pull this too hard to avoid breaking it. So just spinning this and then switching. You can use gloves for it to just avoid leaving any oils on here, but it should work. So you can see some dirt here that we were able to remove some paper dust off of it. So this is how I would do it. I would let it dry for about a minute before I put paper in there. And while we're at it, let's clean the rollers in the back. So looking at the printer, if it was just standing like it usually is, you would just push this to the left and open this, and we need to clean those rollers there. At this point, that's not what's causing that error, but since we're cleaning other rollers, let's just clean this one too so we don't have any problems in the future. It just feeds the paper through further down. So pretty much the same way. I try to open this up like here. If I put it on the edge, you can just like so. You can just put it on the edge of a table and open this unit, and then we'll get in here and just try cleaning those rollers. So pretty much same concept. You just spin one roller and clean the other. Hopefully you can see this here. So I spin one wheel while holding the pad over the other and just kind of going back and forth. So same thing here, you just wait a couple minutes and then close this back down. Just locks in, push it to the right. After waiting a few minutes, let's turn the printer on and try to send another print job or a copy job through the printer and see if that works. And another thing that you should check for is when you open either the tray at the bottom or the paper path cover in the back, make sure there's nothing loose or broken, or maybe some paper clip or something like that is in there. If there is, then that's probably what's causing your paper not to go through and causing the error 1003. So now I'm just gonna send a copy page through. There's nothing in there to copy, but as soon as I send it through, it picked up the paper. It's not giving me an error. So it's just the blank page that's gonna come out because I have nothing in here. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video helped you. And if it did, please like this video and have a wonderful day. Thank you.